Hold on, guys. Yeah, they put tape on it. And I don't have a scissor in here. I'll be right back. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, again, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Alright, on today's video, another unboxing video, my March Ipsy Glam bag. It's late already, it is April 1st today, and yeah, just don't have extra time to do film, and finally I'm doing it right now. So we're gonna do an unboxing real quick for my March Ipsy Glam bag. Again, this is what's look like the packaging of Ipsy Glam bag. Super cute packaging. I like the packaging. It's just because the color is pink. I do love pink. I get crazy about pink color. It's just me. First, we got this beautiful, again, it's pink, beautiful soft eyeshadow brush. Super nice eyeshadow brush, and super soft. Ooh, I'm excited to play with this. I love eyeshadow brushes, especially when they're really nice and soft. Okay, next we got this super cute pouch. Very nice pouch with a super cute print on it. I love the print. Very girly. And we got this sleep mask. This is Coco Kind Super Facing Sleep Mask. It is an overnight face mask. I love overnight mask because you put it on before you go to bed and you don't have to worry to rinse it off after you apply it. So I love overnight mask, something like that. So really excited about that, to try it on. And next is this Kawaii leave-in conditioner. Ooh, this is for hair. I love leave-in conditioner for hair, especially here if you're here in a dry place. Oh, my hair gets dry easily, so I need to use different kind of product to use it to my hair. That's just to not my hair makes dry and frizzy and something like that. So I use like not a lot, maybe for hair product to make my hair like more healthier, not super dry at all. So I'm excited with this one for hair. Next is this blush. Super cute packaging of little tiny blush, like a travel friendly blush. Super cute small packaging of blush, and in the shade Bellany. Ooh, the color is kind of like a nude color of blush, so I'm excited to play with this too. This is late unboxing. I'm so busy. And the last one is Wonder Beauty. I love this beauty brand. It's a highlighter or something. Again, super cute packaging of, I think this is highlighter, and you got tape on it. Oh yeah, it's a highlighter. Super cute highlighter. Really nice highlighter, guys. Cute packaging. Again, it's a travel friendly. You wanna take it with you when you're going out or traveling, like to touch up your makeup. This is nice size of highlighter. Super nice. I love this beauty brand, Wonder Beauty. Such a such a nice beauty brand. Alright everyone, that's it for late quick unboxing. I'm so busy, especially this month. I have a lot of doctor's appointment. I think, I'm not sure, every week or every 2 weeks I got doctor's appointment for the baby, so I'm gonna be really busy this month. And yeah, again, that's it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.